Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and I've got a little bit of a different type of video for you today. Now, I know that this really isn't breaking news because this came out the first story came out a few months ago, and the item that I'm going to talk about came out about a month or month and a half ago. But for me, it's breaking news and it's my channel, so I thought this would be the most appropriate playlist to put this information on. But either way, here we go. If you had missed the announcement, NGC is going to start a new type of coin grading. Now, we all know the coin grading scale that we've used forever. That's the 70-point scale. Now, coin collecting is the only or one of the only hobbies that uses a non-10 base system. So for like Pokemon cards, baseball cards, comic books, they use a 10-point scale. So for a lot of people, they have to learn the ins and the outs of the 70-point grading scale in order to understand what the grade is. NGC is going to start with a 10-point scale. So they're still going to grade coins with the old 70-point system, but they are calling this the NGCX, New Era of Coin Collecting Starts Now grading system. So basically it's a 10-point scale. And they actually on their website have a sliding rule. You can see what each of the grades means. And you can see it's very interesting because from 9 to 10, they have 0.1 for each type of grade. So it's much more fractional from 9 to 10. After that, it gets less and less fractional until you get down to you're just going by half grades. So it's on their website, and you can kind of see and take a look and explore what each grade means. I think it's a little bit interesting. I'm not sold on this because I know the 70-point scale. I understand why they're doing it. They're trying to expand the hobby, and they pretty much say it right here at the top, expanding the hobby. They want to get more people into it, and they're trying to remove a barrier of understanding that might scare some people away. So I understand why they're doing it. I'm just not a fan of it. I'm not going to go and get my coins graded with this new grading scale or anything like that. I'm not going to convert mine over, and I don't really use NGC to begin with. I'm a PCGS person myself. But I just thought that was interesting. Anyway, one thing that I didn't know that they did was they also introduced a promotion called VaultBox. So let me explain what VaultBox is. These are a box of graded coins that you buy. You don't know what coins are in here. And it's $600 for 3 coins inside this box. Now, they're going to use their new NGCX grading scale and all the coins in here. So it's a way of promoting it and getting people excited about it. So it's actually not a bad idea. $600, though, for 3 coins is a lot. But let me explain how it works. So in fact, they're going to do series of these. They just released series 1, and they're going to release multiple series after this. So I may actually end up trying to get one of these depending on what the odds are. But we'll talk more about that in a little bit. Basically, you pay $600, and they ship you one of these boxes, and it has 3 coins in it. And you have the chance of getting a very rare and valuable coin. Now, you can see that there are slabs in here. They're using their new system. And if you get one of the red slabs, that pretty much guarantees that you've gotten one of the rare core type coins. So if you open the box and you see a red slab, that means that you've made profit for sure. You're going to get a coin worth over $1,000, if not more. And if you get one of the black slabs, then it's basically it's not a rare coin, but still you could maybe make your money back, but odds are you're going to lose a little bit. But the other thing they do is that they offer an instant offer. So you can actually go to their website, get the coins that you get, and then you can look up what they would pay you to get the coins back, which is very interesting. And here is the big thing. There's going to be one of these 2020 V75 Privy gold dollars worth $20,000 plus. So that's their big thing. You could win up to $20,000. So that's how they're pitching it. It's very interesting. They show you how to do that and all that here. So it's interesting. I found out about it late, but it's very interesting. It's very interesting. So I'm going to try to show you all the different coins. Yeah, see, here you go. Here you go. Series 1 distribution list. You can see what all the different coins are in them. They let you know, and what the quantity is total. So you can see, we got American Silver Eagles, pretty common. These are going to be graded. Then you get to the uncommons. And they don't even guarantee that you're going to get a common and an uncommon. It could be anything. And I've seen people get where they're all getting very common coins. So losing, a couple $100, which is, disappointing. Then you start getting into some of the rare coins. Now, again, you're not going to really make a ton of money on them, but, they're better. They're rarer. They're a little bit better. You can see that the quantity that they have is going to be less as they go up here. So, single examples of coins in all the coins that they had. And then I think if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, now it just goes up to rare. So these are the red slabs, and there's that privy. There's that V75 gold coin privy. So, yeah, if you get a rare coin, it's going to be in a red slab. It's going to be worth, a fair amount of money. And, you could make a lot of money on this. But you could see, you could go through and add all these up and, figure out what the value of one of these, 2016 Ws times 54. Figure out how much the value of all of the coins in the entire series are versus, how many coins there are total and what your odds are and all sorts of stuff like that. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Now, you can actually go and Google and YouTube people doing unboxings of these, which I've watched a few of them, and they're pretty interesting, very exciting. You can see here, this is what a box would look like. 1 common, 2 common, 3 is the rare. So, but you're not guaranteed a rare. That's the other thing, is you're not guaranteed that rare coin. Some people have tried to figure out what's going to be on the inside by using metal detectors, by weighing them, and it is what it is. But it is very interesting. I think it's kind of cool. Unfortunately, when they went to go sell these on their website, they crashed the website when they opened this up at 9 o'clock in January. I forget what date it was. But they were sold out within 30 minutes, and lots of people couldn't get them because their website was just overwhelmed with them. And you go to eBay, look at the prices these people are selling their vault boxes for. So, they're trying to make some money here. I would not be spending $1,500 on a vault box. I think $600 is a little too much. I understand that NGC is doing this as a promotion. They're also making a fair amount of money, but that's their prerogative as a business. But there's no way I'm paying 4 figures. Sorry, just not what I'm going to do. But anyway, I did think that was interesting here. You could see, some of the coins that people have gotten from the vault box, and they, instead of taking the offer that NGC is offering them, they're trying to sell them on eBay to make more, presumably. So, very interesting stuff. I did get an email and signing up. I did sign up and say, let me know when Series 2 information is going to be released. And they did say that they're going to make some changes. So I think that's a really good thing. You can take a survey. They're improving their website, so I'm glad to see that. So hopefully it'll be a bit more fair and equitable. They did listen to feedback of the community and have implemented measures to randomize box weights, so you can't weigh them and figure out if you've got a rare coin or not. More variety. Some people are getting 3 silver eagles in their boxes, and that's really disappointing because that's pretty much the low end. That's the bottom of the barrel. You're spending $600 for 3 silver eagles, total value maybe $150. That would be really disappointing. Unless one of those is a silver eagles is a red core series hit, so a rare coin. More value per box. One of the biggest sources of inspiration was the idea that every single item could be pulled from a box. There's no junk wax. We accomplished Series 1 by only including precious metal coins. We're going to double down by raising the average value per box. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. But I think that's a really nice thing for them to say, we realize the popularity. We know that some people got shafted, and we're going to do it better. And I think that's really nice to see. I hope that they follow through with that. And it'll be interesting to see what they do. And then better communication going up to launch day. So I think these are all positive things. I'm excited. If they actually do that, I think it might be a good deal. So I might be saving up, for one of those Series 2 boxes if and when they come out. And just for fun, it's not like I'm going to buy a ton of them. I think you're actually limited to 2 per person. And I know some people have different ways of getting around that. But it is what it is. And I think it's cool. I think it's fun. I enjoy watching those unboxing videos. And like I said, I'm going to start saving up now. And, maybe if I feel like it's something I want to do, I might buy one. If not, there's a lot of coins on my list of coins that I want to add to my collection that I could use that money for either way. But anyway, it's just something that I've noticed and I've been reading up on the past few days, and I wanted to share it with you. Let me know what your thoughts are about the VaultBox or the NGC X grading scale in the comments below. If you've got one, if you have one, what your experiences are with the product. So that's going to do it for today. Thanks for taking the time to watch this one. I know we didn't open any coins, but it's just something I wanted to put on the web on my page and see what you guys thought. So let me know in the comments below. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.